Welcome to qnawire.
The pendulum of a clock makes an angle of 2.5 radians. As its tip travels 18 feet. What is the length of the pendulum? I'll call it X. Actually, I'll call it R because it would be the radius of the circle. And if we think about this arc length is going to be equal to the angle measure, 2.5 radians out of 2 pi radians for the whole circle, times the circumference, which is 2 pi r. And we know that this arc length is equal to 18, and so we'll solve for r. Two pi's will cancel out here, and so we have 18 equals 2.5 r. Then divide both sides by 2.5, and that radius must be 7.2.